Whoop. Nope, this one. Hi, I'm waiting. Little stuff is okay. Welcome in, welcome in. I am Catalin. Today we are reverse engineering Dragon Warrior monsters. Alright, I'll go ahead and mute this. As nice as the music is, we do need it paused in order to work on it. Alright, last time we left off deciphering this stuff. I think got a good amount of understanding on that. I did not figure out this bit yet, so we'll do that real quick. Hopefully real quick. That's I don't recall. Oh right, that was H. Which was set here. Two, 1, and 0. Oh, it was here. This part. That was it. It's part of B, which is used to set A, which is used to be assigned to R odd 1 high. Which it also sets if this is 0. The lower 3 bytes are 0. Bits, sorry. 21. 12. I don't remember what any of these values are. The RAM values. Was this the offset? And the IO memory. Yeah. So what is 12 in the IO memory then? That's probably what this is using. Oops, that one. NR12. NR12 is the channel and volume and envelope. Surely that has a name. I think it's oh yeah, I don't know. Hold on, let me just search in here. R on 1 in a level ball. Those are all the other channels, though. See if I can find odd one sweet, odd one low. This is a volume. High and low are both period. Then in, but I don't think is what we're looking for. Oh, it is what we're looking for. Okay. R on one end. Perfect. So I think we can just say like this. Uh, okay. So this does set I should set all these. This is 14, was 13, sweep is 11. Oh, this was low. Okay. 15. Right. So apparently we do set the volume envelope's function. I didn't realize. And we only do any adjustments if it's changed since our not our last assignment, but changed from if it's different from this assignment. We only change the period if the volume envelope has changed. Is different from this assignment. Ah, okay. Probably does mean it changed, but I still use that there. Okay. I'll still use that here then too. I don't think it matters. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it. It'll be less confusing. The odd 3 level is FF1C. The whole thing. Oh, good. And they can all stop complaining. Whoa. So then that means that that really is the direction. And the period is set via this. Which doesn't even appear to be assigned in this function. Is this not the period functional? Oh my god. My tweet was a lot. I will find what assigns to FF7 in a bit. Wait, on envelope direction. Okay, good. So that's part of it. Okay. Let's look for FF11 then. That is an atrium. We'll look for. I guess I have to do it in this. What? Oh, you can do selecting debugger from here, but not from atrium. For references. Whatever. FFF7. Oh. I was searching the memo. There we go. I'll look for assignments to that. This is an assignment, obviously, but what? That's what I want. Okay, I want to see all of them. Assignment there, and 2 reads. Nice, fair enough. PBA form. What have we done so far? Auto. I have not done that. I don't need that. I'll just drink it. Looks like this is just an initializer of some sort, though. So the other one's probably the one we want. Let's see. E1E. 2. We have a 3E17. And that's and whatever that is to 0. Else we do label 3DFF and that's it. Alright, what's Enna? The window opens. It's FF1A. Then you need to this one. I can do that in a bit. I want to find the other assignment to this. Do that one real quick. Oh, there we go. Like we've been here. Oh. Seven, still part of it. Probably this 3 BBD, yeah. You have not done this at all, okay. Def table 3 BBD, going to be a long function. Long indeed. I feel like I should make a script to disassemble the Python for me. I can massage it a bit after it does the initial disassembly. The complexity with decompiler is always the branching or other flag manipulation stuff. Usually the branching is the main thing though. Because high level code doesn't use flag. Equals 3. Reference hierarchy, just this one. Destination. Yeah, so it's unique to inside here. Okay. So make this it does not equal and then set the label. Does not equal being the NZ. Voice of voice. See if this is the same or not. This reference and this reference. Likely still part of the same function, but oh, not that far. I'm gonna keep going. I'll figure it out. Oh, and see if you greater than equal to. Just the one. Doesn't fall in, so good. Bazooka, good morning, Funky K. This counts as musical enough for the name. Morning, Pet Bazooka. Welcome. I suppose it does count. When we do get to testing our understanding of the format, you could call that mixing. I'll have to edit the bytes and make sure they do what we understand them to do. Don't know that we'll get that today, but I hope so. That'd be nice. That was here. Nine four. That sounds really, yeah. Oh wait, this data here. Plus B, because it's actually plus A in here, you know, but it's from here that I didn't want to do. Say HL is just that. So if that is there and the 3BDF also jumps there, we can make this HL assignment an else case from here. So how do we get to 3BE4? Okay. So let's look at 3BE4. So A and OX F. Actually, I'm just going to convert that to binary real quick. Is greater than equal to those are the paths to get to 3BA4, so let's try to reduce that real quick. Actually, this is the first check, so I don't think I can reduce that yet. Ah! Nick, please. There we go. What? Oh no, okay. In the else event, A equals B times 2. I guess that goes into E. And then A equals RAM OX FFE9. Get a reference to that yet? That seems to just be thrown away immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and integrate that into the conditional if and that's hexadecimal 10 binary. Surprised I didn't just use bit. Well, whatever the case. Let's see if that is... Oh, if that is not, then it does the jump to B7. Oh, except... Okay. We do want to negate that, so... And equals OX18 bin. This label here. That's the D equals 0 here since we need it as DE. HL equals OX3 E22 plus E. I guess we don't really need D. D plus E. A. I always make this DE the whole time too. Well, it might be a little... I want to know that D was, you know, clobbered. Equals... Oh, I see. HL equals... What's it? It. That's it. Address HL. F swap B and OX OF. So if that's 0, then it jumps. If it is non-zero, then it sets B to A. Oh, which is the value. So we'll go ahead and put that. Like that. Okay. This song is dumb. Back here. Shift right logically. Rotate right. L. Rotate right through C. C? I don't know. Whatever. C goes on there. That's the point. So it is a HL as a whole shifts over by 1. That's what's happening. Oh, that's a loop. So we don't need to do that. We can just say like that. Simplify it a lot. So B has to be at least 1. I just realized that swap is totally useless. They could have just done this as an AND with F0 instead of 0F and not done the swap, and it would have been the same. Oh, I guess they want to keep it here, but they could have put swap here. Whatever. A lot of shifts actually. Up to 15 shifts, which is outside range of a wait. No. Not outside the range of a 16-bit value. You'd still have the 1. Let me think this through again. So if there's yeah, I think the thing is you just have to do it once. Actually, no. If B was 0, the deck would wrap it around to FF, and then it'd have to do it 255 times. So, better hope it's never 0. Wait, is it 0? F. No, B could have a value in its lower nibble. It would need to. The heck is B anyways? Oh, we don't know because it was passed in here. Okay, whatever. Who even references this? Oh, that's all part of it. Okay, gotcha. So it won't ever be 0. Good. Hey, Sherry, welcome. Good morning. Currently disassembling this function here, which eventually assigns the period of the note. Oh, what is HR at the moment? Oh, right, so the value from that table possibly shifted. Subtracting it do? Oh, okay. Minus HL. We're subtracting it from here. Is that how that works? I believe so. And it's being reassigned to HL, of course. That's back down here. Okay, before I get into that, I want to figure out this condition. So, essentially, yeah, I can't think of a way to do it. I'm just gonna do this. 3A4, and that'll be. Apparently, I've already defined that one, anyways. Must have been what I did earlier. Yep. Three BDF. Oh. A? What is A at this point? E. Okay. Three C 17. OX FFF2 equals 0, 0 from the XOR A label 3E17. Which function is this? Oh right, we never figured out that pop AF, huh? And there hasn't been a push in here either. Wacky. Oh. A lot of calls to that. What? D-E-E-1-E. Oh my god. Okay. So, not equal case comes here. But the equal case falls in, so we want to do this. Label 3F B2. Say R odd 3 in equals 80. Oh, I feel like I've done that. Oh, right. Oh, I'm thinking of 80, but whatever. Doesn't matter. That sounds like Revolt music. A little bit. CFD. Huh? Loads. Do you want? Okay. Okay. Loads don't set the thing, so so it's setting this condition here with the call Z up here. So we want to say RAM XDE1E ending with itself is basically just turning it into a boolean. In Python we don't need to turn it into a boolean, so we can just leave it as is. And then equals ram OX FFED and C equals R odd one sweep. Why aren't you letting me autocomplete that? So then if cons are if not cons, call this label 3D 3. Either way, keep going. Only assigned to HL, I think, so there's no separate L. We'll have to grab it. So A equals HL. Then C equals odd one low. This again. Oh, that goes in there, that's right. So A C. We can reduce this actually, so say make this. Doesn't set HL, does it? So I think what we're gonna do is actually we are going to store that because I have to use it twice. Use it once for this call and then once here. A is less than 2. We call label 3C 4E. Don't know what that is yet. If it's less than then we call oh, don't call, we're jumping, my bad. Okay, so rather than that, we need to say A equals 2 if it's less than 2. And then if it is less than FE, say if it's greater than or equal to FE, we set A to B, which is really ultimately just saying A equals max to min. It's a bounds insurement. OX FFF6. I think we've looked at that, but I don't remember if we know what it is. I should write down what FFF7 is too. Is this just a high period? Or is it a period index? Oh wait, it was here. Okay. Yeah, it's a high period. So probably reasonable to assume that FFF6 is the low byte of the period. Which, I say high period, but it's, you know, the period's high byte. Me too, mean. I don't know. Oh, that was not a useful note. Here, okay. FF6 equals A. Comparing with this again. We should make this comparison a lot. It's 7. Just the one reference to it, so stick it in here. Oh, I see. Not C. So if it's greater than or equal to C. Wait. Yeah, okay. This is the JR. It's not coming back. I'll put that left. So that would go here is greater than or equal to, but it falls in there, so we want to enter it and say if it's less than it does this block here. A equals string FFE 9. Or no one remembers the actual order for binary operations. We'll just do that. That's it there too. D, 2, 3. A. Lost my spot. R on 1 Len. Oh, nice. We needed that. Add it to the list. 11. Wait, what? Oh, sweep is 10. My bad. H, huh? What the heck was H last set? A while ago, right? Yeah, up here in H out, okay. Where is this from? 8, 7. Oh. You come back. Alright. Okay, so let's do this real quick. Odd 3 Len. Ah! The DE1E is the channel. I think I probably noted that already. DE1E. Ah! Index such that 2 is channel 3. funky. Dollar sign have a meaning? Yeah? Huh? I do. Let's do this as a lesson. Cool. This stream is not about Markdown. Let's not get into it. 7, so that is 0. Oh, this can actually jump to 8. Oh, that's weird. It's not weird in assembly, but it's weird in Python. I don't know how to do that. We'll just have to copy paste, I think. So A equals ram r odd inna and 4 binary if not A do this, otherwise say A equals this. So we can reduce that. No, we can't. Okay, well, whatever. That is alt. That's the one I want. FF1E and 26. Okay, what comes here? 3, 5, 8. What's that? You have that? Uh-uh. Okay, I'll do that as a call in. C74 will be a call. FF7's the one we wanted. That sets the high period. It also sits here, interestingly. Turn label. This reminds me of an old song, the intro, this one. Can't exactly think of what it is though. Compliment. It's one's compliment, right? I assume. Yeah. It's the bitwise knot. Put into C. B equals RAM OX FF 9 and B. Puts that into A, ands it, and then puts it back into B. DE1D ends with C, and then ORs it with B, and puts that back into DE1D. And returns. That probably helped a lot, but we don't know how we got there yet. So we gotta do that part. Oh. Apparently some functions. CFD. Let's do E1 E. Ring the channel again if equals 2. Comes to to see. NSFW. Oh, never mind. Okay, label. We know that function. We know it very well. R odd and in. Okay. Oh, I guess that's a return. Or an else or thing. Yeah, it was an else. It's a... Okay. Melif? RAM. OXFFF 0. So if that is non-zero, then it goes to okay. Probably just have to do that as a call. Example 3D. Kanji. Then lastly, does this label passing in OX FFEB? Well, not index then. Okay. Ooh. Got all that because it goes into there. Oh, that was well, wasn't it? Yeah. So I need that. Um, 3D, 5D. sure we should start at 3D43. Oh, we do. Ah. Okay, that's annoying. Uh, so 3D52 is the contents of this if. This is 3DFF, and there's a 3D. Will be at the end. Okay. So I think if we want to do 3D5D, all we have to do is cut out all of this. Put it in here. Say, turn label 3D5D. But then at the end of this, we need this return. So all branch in this return, then we don't need the else here. Hola, are you a music wizard? Hey, spinach, spider, mariachi, sorry. Welcome, welcome. And no, I am not a music wizard. I am a binary wizard. Binary witch. Right now we are figuring out how the music in this game is implemented so that we can get the file format and turn it into a more editable format. And then we can do more music-y stuff with it. But I'm not good at actual music production. I'm just a novice at that. This function Oh, 3D FF as well. Yeah, the scroll wheel. Or not scroll wheel, scroll bar. So 3D FF is this part. Go ahead and just say return 3D FF. And copy this. Label 3D FF. Does this need an A or anything, by the way? I don't think so. Yeah, should be good. To be fair, that's where all experts started. Yeah, of course, of course. I do hope to get better at it, but I haven't invested a whole lot of time in it yet. I took a class on it once, and then I haven't done much since. I'd enjoy it a lot, though. It's a lot of fun to make music. I feel like I understand it a lot better than other arts. I'm terrible at visual art. Where was I? I need this function now. F3FD2. I think that's the last one, yeah. I have on here, anyways. Six. Oh wait, 3 E's. This is the person who arranges the art for her own thumbnails. I didn't draw the... I didn't draw the art, at least. Those are stickers from Yuzufe. But yeah, I do piece everything together for the thumbnails, but they're silly and fun. But actual drawing, like I have taken multiple classes on actual drawing, and I did okay in them. But whenever I try like digital art, a character art, or something, if I try to draw people, it's such a mess. Three FD2. I like those emojis. Are those built in? Oh, they are. Oh. This looks like the sample loader. Okay. I'm excited to get into that too. We know a little bit about it from earlier. Are you from Europe? I'm not. I'm from US. The West Coast even. It's just very early for me. OXFFED. But I do always stream at this time, and I know there are times that work decently for Europe. Well, every weekday I stream at this time. OXDE2B. Just put E there too. Swap E. Ram. I'm from Mexico. Oh, cool. Welcome, welcome. That's a couple of hours ahead of me, I believe. Yep, visual art. I get what you're saying about the difference from drawing, but as much as we in chat like to highlight your skills you speaking from screen, making appealing thumbnails is hard. Well, I'm glad you find them appealing. I do put some effort into them. I guess it's like it's like more like graphic design, right? To do a thumbnail. Oh, that's 0. I got Zord. That SDE. Then HL. 253D plus. Odd choice. For the most part, it's been using like writing this to C and then doing load H to imply the FF. But it is doing it directly now. Wow. Alright, for range of 10. I don't want to think 16, but I don't want to think. I'm tempted to say that the most comparable thing is something like scrapbooking or making collages. Makes sense. Yeah. Graphic design would be more, also more kind of like drawing, right? And making the visuals. But like website layouting is graphic design, right? Scrapbooking seems very comparable though to thumbnails, I think. Which is odd because I never thought of myself as good at scrapbooking, but I haven't tried it too much. My mom does it a lot. I've done it with her. But whatever that is. Please show me. No? That. FF06? Let me just check the... Wave pattern RAM is FF30, so what is that what we want? That must be what we want. That was weird. Oh, maybe that's not weird. This would be Big Indian if that's what it was. It's FF30. Okay. Oh, okay. The 11 is the command. F30. I'm just gonna change this though because I want to. Ew. Wave RAM. Ah. So this is actually just putting it into DE. So we'll say DE. It's running on HL. And then HL plus equals 1, DE plus equals 1, and loop. And then it returns. Uh, 353D. That is not any of those. Well, this is clearly the wave table. They're probably using the swap as a shift by 4, so multiplying it by 16. So DE2B D2B is the currently loaded sample. Currently loaded sample. Do you do music else spider mariachi? Should I just call you Spider? Also, I'm sure my pronunciation of mariachi is not correct. I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry. I don't speak Spanish. I lost where I was. Oh, right. Okay, so that is the current loaded sample. This is the one we want to load. FFFED sample index load sample index. It disables the channel and then loads it. I'm sure that has something to do with how it works. And that will enable it later. I still don't know what this pop is for. Okay. It mostly just bothers me though. I don't think. I don't know that we need to know it. But it does indicate there's more stuff above, so let's actually go take a look. Look for references to this. Not that. Go. What? Eh. 388E. I don't remember the entry point. Holy moly. That might be the entry point. Not sure. Okay. Might have to do this function next time, but I think we got pretty far. I'm gonna start it though so that I have it. I know it's what I'm doing, sort of thing, you know? Come on. We figured out a lot of different assignments, so it's just a matter of seeing how the raw song data is put into some of these locations. So we don't have that information yet. Eight, 4, 2. A equals the bank. That is not RAM. It's not really ROM either. That is the current bank, isn't it? I'm pretty sure you read it. Oh, but that is actually read from... That's manually written to the ROM. That is the first byte of the loaded bank, and manually written to every bank in ROM is the bank index. It's the first byte. Okay. So that very well might be the corresponding push to that pop down below, but don't know yet. I'm not going to get into it today. We'll do it next week. Getting closer, getting much closer, I think. Learned a good deal. Pretty sure this is the low period. I don't know what I meant by B2. I'll probably just erase it later when I confirm that it's the low period. I didn't see it actually being written to the low period, but I don't remember. It's mentioned anywhere? Yeah, it was HL. B greater than 10, B is from A, which we don't know what this is called, but okay. It probably is, but we don't know yet. Is that what I was looking at? Oh, for references that. Reference hierarchy. HL, HL. Not directly. Huh. Well, don't know. We'll see. Could be the low period, might not be. But if it's not, I don't know what it is. Set. All channels but 3. Oh yeah. We got more of that next time, yeah. We got the assignments to most of these things. Sweep, blend, and low, high, and some of the channel 3 stuff, which is the wave channel, so got the loading the samples in, and some other special assignments to the channel, which I assume the other ones that aren't the special assignments to the channel are just done through this, through offsets and this. I'm like 99% sure. We'll do this function next week. Hopefully this will put everything together and we'll be able to start documenting the actual raw data format for the music, and then I don't think we'll be able to turn it into something usable next week just due to time, but we'll be able to do most of the work to start doing that. So yeah, exciting. I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 for the finale of Biomotor Unitron 1. Hopefully. I'm gonna go until I win, I think. It's, probably gonna have to do that final dungeon like a few times and just leave and collect items from it. Hopefully that's me, because if it doesn't, I'll be very upset. Alright. See you guys then. Thanks for coming. Have a good day. Bye bye.